Hey guys, this is kind of an impromptu video. I wasn't planning on filming today, and I wasn't planning on filming a video about this, but I posted a photo on Instagram this past weekend, and I was holding my new bag, and so many of you have private messaged me and left comments on that photo asking for me to do a review, talk about it, share my thoughts. And so here we are. The name of this is the Faye bag, and it's by Chloe, and this bag is beautiful. I haven't purchased a handbag for myself in quite a long time, and honestly, nothing's really just caught my eye. And I saw this one on Nordstrom's website. It was actually on their front page when I logged in, and I immediately fell in love. They had it in the tan color featured, and I almost got the tan color, but then when I saw this one, I just knew I had to have it. I love Chloe bags, but I feel like they are very trendy right now. Every single person, when I go through my Instagram feed, has a crossbody saddle bag, a Chloe saddle bag. When I saw this one, I thought A, it was different. I haven't seen anyone else with it, and B, it's small and it's compact. It's a great little addition to my diaper bag, or honestly, a nice little bag to take out when I don't have the kids with me, if I'm going out by myself for a quick run of errands, or if I'm going out for a date night or with my girlfriends. Truth be told, when I don't have my kids and my big diaper bag, I love the little mini bag. Sometimes I'll even just take a clutch because I'm carrying around a big bag all the time. So when I'm out without my kids and without a big bag, why am I gonna carry around another big bag? So that's why I love these. I love little crossbody, little backpacks. I have my Louis Vuitton mini Palm Springs backpack, so I'll link that video review below if you haven't seen it. And I thought this would make a nice little addition to my little mini non-mom bag collection. So I had to get this color. This is the Maudy Gray. I think that's how you say it, Maudy Gray. Whenever I have seen the Chloe bags, this was always the color I wanted it in. So when I saw that the backpack came in this color, I knew I just had to have it. It comes in 6 colors total. So I wanted to just kind of review the bag, and then I'm also gonna do a quick little what's in my bag, because surprisingly, this carries and holds a lot more stuff than I was expecting, and honestly, a lot more stuff than I actually need. But the cool thing is, there was a bunch of little surprises with this once I opened it up and was checking it out. More than I expected or got from the website, so I wanted to just kind of take you through it. So the first thing is, there is a suede little flap that covers, and then the famous Chloe symbol, the little ring, and there is a button, like a magnetic button, and then you open it and then it opens up like a traditional backpack. There are zippers here on the side that you can pull down, and it does expand the bag a little bit if you need the extra room, but I honestly like that it's more structured, so I haven't really been wearing the bag with them down, but it is a nice feature if you end up needing to carry more stuff than you thought. And then there's a nice little short little gold chain, and it does have, one side is a clip, the other side it's a permanent piece. So you could do a couple things with this. So I actually like clipping it along the top, and you have a little top handle with the chain, and I kind of like that the straps hang down. They're thin and not really in the way of anything, so I do carry it from here. I mean, you could just clip it different ways. You can clip it on the side, have it kind of hang down the side. How they had it featured on the website was they had it clipped to the main ring, and it kind of just dresses your bag, kind of like swings to the side and just dresses your bag. But like I said, I prefer to just wear it across the top, whether I'm using it to carry or just to add a little bit of detail to the bag. It's really pretty, just kind of draped along the front. Then you have a little handle here, little thin handle, so you can carry it like this. You can carry it on the shoulder, which is honestly what I tend to do sometimes when I'm running in and out of places in errands, or you could just carry it like you would a normal bag from here. So there's a lot of different options with that, and if you don't like that, you have the option of a traditional backpack. So I like doubling them up sometimes and wearing them on one shoulder. This is really great for when I do have the kids in the big. It reminds me a lot of the Louis Vuitton mini backpack, honestly. And before I decided on this color, when I saw it on the website, it was featured in the tan color, but I thought it was too close to the Louis Vuitton. So that's why I ended up with the gray. I really just, I love this shade that Chloe does, this shade of gray, because I would almost describe it more as a taupe and not a gray. When I think of gray, I think of dove gray, and I don't think of this as dove gray. I think of this more as like a mushroom taupe. So anyway, yeah, or you could just wear it on one shoulder, leave the other strap down. You can put it on the back like you would a traditional backpack and just have it hang down. on the back. There's just a lot you can do with it, a lot of different ways to wear it. You can just make it convenient for you. And then these are also adjustable, so you can have it hang down lower on your back or up tighter. And then these also come off, so you could even just do both on one side. Something like this. You can have it be on the side and have it be like a crossbody. Like that, it's small and compact. It's a beautiful handbag, but it's also a functional backpack, so I really love that. So that is it for the features. Let me just take you through what I typically keep in here if I am without my children. So the first thing, I have Bentley here with me, he's watching. So the first thing is my little wallet, and I've talked about this before. I just prefer these smaller card wallets now to, what? You want to say something? To the large wallets. They're not bulky. I don't really carry cash on me all that often. I just have a few cards and my license. So that's what I keep in here, and I love this because sometimes when I'm just running in and out of places, I just grab this. I also always keep a bottle of hand sanitizer. This is by Honest. I love the scent of this. It's Coastal Surf, and this smells so good. I have the laundry detergent in this fragrance and the softener, and I absolutely love it. Makes the clothes smell really good. Pack of gum. My sunglasses, I always just, if I don't have a big bag to carry them in, I just use the little velveteen pouch. These are by Gucci. They're just classic black. I think I've shared these before in a haul video. They're really pretty. They're kind of like a more discreet cat eye, so I keep those in here. Then I have my car key and a receipt, a gum wrapper, and I always have some kind of little snack. This is just a little bag of a chocolate raisin nut trail mix. So that's it. Oh, and my phone, obviously. I have that next to me, but I'll show you that it does fit. I have the iPhone 8 Plus, so it's the larger guy, and it still fits without any trouble. Everything is back in there. My phone is in there, and there's still room. There's still room to keep whatever. A pack of tissues. I don't know. What else do people keep in their bag when they don't have their kids? I feel like the less I have to take and lug around with me, the better. So that's it. That's my little impromptu review of the little mini Faye satchel. It has a decent price point. It's a Chloe bag. It's a designer bag, so it's expensive, but it's definitely not anywhere near that of a Chanel bag or something like that. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Let me know if you pick up this bag. I'm sure there's other ways to turn these kind of like into longer crossbodies like I do with my Louis Vuitton mini Palm Springs bag. So I do need to do some research. I've only had this for about a month though. I really have to look into just seeing other ways to adjust the straps, but I really love the ways that I can wear it just without either a traditional backpack, this top handle, or even, like I said, by the little chains. If you unzip these little tassels, if you pull these down, it kind of gives the bag a whole other detail to it too. So that's just something to consider. You don't necessarily have to expand the bag. You can see how much it expands. You don't have to do that, but if you want it to just look a little bit more, I don't know, like detailed, have the little gold zippers peek through, you have that option too. So I feel like for such a little bag, there's just a lot of options and a lot of detail and a lot of different ways to have it look, wear it. It's kind of amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it was what you were looking for. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.